Hi, how are you? Probably a little bit stressed considering you're watching this video. So you need to change the location where Unity Hub installs Unity. Because if you go to installs, you probably have a bunch of different versions. And if you press the pill menu and go to show in Explorer, you can see this one is installed in C, Program Files Unity Hub Editor, version number, editor. There is no direct and easy way to move where Unity is installed, but you can totally do it by just moving one of these folders somewhere else and then using locate to find the new location. That will work. And then when you install modules, like for example, you need some for iOS support, for example, and these are huge, and you don't have space on C, then that will work as well. But if you want to change the install location for future Unity versions, just go to the cogwheel over here. And here you can see Unity Editors folder. Choose where Unity editors are installed on your computer. The location of existing editor installations will not be changed, so don't worry about that. Okay? Thank you. So Unity Editors path, it has no value, unfortunately, so it makes it a bit unclear, but currently it is clearly this path over here. So if we just press ... here, we can, for example, make a new folder on D and call it Unity Please, and then select folder and save. I wonder what would have happened if I hadn't pressed save. And if I go back and to installs, and I'll just press add to install the latest recommended release, because why not? Let's press next and done. We have 64.4 gigabytes free on C, 281 on D. Alright, while this is installing, I will also try to change the install location of an existing Unity installation. For example, 2020.3.4. Right-click, cut, and right-click, paste it. Yes, admin rights I can provide. Continue. Let's see what happens first, the installation of a new version or the moving of the not-so-new version. Alright, the install was faster, and it is in the right location. Ooh, 5 gigabytes. Well, we got like 4 gigabytes more space. Still waiting though. And it's not done. It's done. Alright, so these 5 gigabytes have been moved as well. Right, so now let's just completely close Unity. I'm gonna close it over here, down here, quit Unity Hub. Time to put Unity Hub up. So a 2020.3.10 F1 is here. And this one, oh my! It actually recognizes the new location of... Wow, if you hover over it, you can see that it knows that it is in D Unity Please. Interesting. Maybe I didn't even have to restart, I don't know. But I recommend that you restart Unity Hub after moving that. And now if I add modules and install, for example, let's say Android build support. Oh, it's freaking done. Wow, that was 4 gigabytes? So it's now nearly 10 gigabytes. Yeah, so it works. If you need to change the install location of Unity, this video did actually solve that. Right? Let me know if you still have problems in the comments. Until next time, ciao.